myself Shruti Bipare. So in every video I used to say about this global citizenship, right? So what this global citizenship all about? So for many this global citizenship might be a very new term, but I feel that globalization is somewhat familiar to you. So global citizenship, globalization, global villages are all interrelated, right, and interconnected. So let's start and just try to connect ourselves with the concept of global citizenship. So if you feel that you are self-sufficient, if you feel that no, I don't need anybody, I don't need the help of any other country, I like my country is being self-sufficient and I am just self-sufficient on myself, then let's start and think about it. So first of all, when you wake up in the morning, what is the first thing that you used to do? Obviously the brushing part. So from where this toothbrush and the brush has been coming, right? Second thing, that you take the shower. So from whereby the shampoo is being coming. Third, that you take the breakfast. So in the breakfast, the things that you are being there, right, the bread, the fish, not the fish rather, right, the bread, the egg, right, from where they are being coming. Then just take your commodity, the transportation one. So from where this card is being coming. Then the fifth thing, that you are using the computer, the laptop in your, or the email, from where they all are coming. Then in the after the workspace, when you come back to home, then again you prepare your dinner and all. So the things that are using in a dinner, right, here you may use the fish. So from where it's been coming. And then finally before sleeping, you just see your mobile phone, right, the smartphones. So from where they are being coming. So from where these technologies all are being coming, from where these packets, from where these food commodities and everything are being coming. They are being coming from one part of the globe and finally reaching it out to you after being processing in many different part of the countries, right, and or many different part of the globe. So this is what I want to say, that we all are interconnected to each other because we are living in a global village. We are all connected to each other directly or indirectly, right, because we all are global citizens. Yes, I feel that now you might have a very general this concept that what is this global citizen is all about. So the important thing is that we need to take care of each others because we all are a family, we all are a global citizen. Dhanyavad.